Myself, Dr. Sachinkumar Gupta. I am an oral maxillofacial surgeon. I have attended a course with Dr. Gupta, and it is one of the best course. I've got a lot of information on aesthetic dentistry and the 3D motivational design making. I've never expected I will hear this, and it is a perfect platform to understand the things better way. And I must say I have wasted 3 years of mine. One of my friend told me about Dr. Gupta, and I have started using RSD design. After seeing him, I was using RSD protocols and doing my cases, but I was doing it the wrong way, I must say. Now after listening to him, I think my practice and my life is going to surely change, and it's going to impact my patients also in a very good way. And he is doing a great work, and I hope I must see him again in future also.